Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 has the latest updates installed and that Xbox Game Bar is enabled in settings. Once done, restart the PC to clear temporary faults because many problems vanish after a reboot. Next, try Win+G. If the overlay opens, you're done. If not, don't panic. You're ready to move into targeted repairs that rebuild the app and fix permissions. You'll now repair, then reset the app to preserve settings where possible. Go to Settings Apps, choose Xbox Game Bar, repair first, and then reset if repair fails. Once reset doesn't help, remove and reinstall. Run PowerShell to remove Xbox packages because stale packages block launch, then reinstall from the Microsoft Store. Also verify gaming services and related Xbox services are running. Set them to automatic, so the overlay can initialize when you press Win+G. Finish by ensuring permissions and drivers. Enable background apps and grant microphone and screen capture permissions so Game Bar can access hardware. Then update GPU drivers using the vendor installer, because outdated drivers often prevent overlays. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to detect corrupt components. After it completes, reboot the PC. If Win+G still fails, one key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.